Hi everyone, so it's a quick recipe video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to make paneer do pyaza at home. So yes, I've taken all the veggies here as you can see. So first of all I'm gonna fry it one by one. First I'm taking onion, second one I'm taking is potato. Fry it until its color got brown, and the third one, which is main, I'm taking paneer. So finally it's done, and next I'm making is gravy. So I have used chopped onion and tomato puree, and then I have added some spices here. Also I have taken fresh cream here and I'm adding it. Mix it well so that its consistency is good, and then add all the veggies. You can add different vegetables also if you like. I have taken paneer, potato and onion. Leave it to the low flame so that it's cooked fully, and then you can just garnish it. So finally it's ready and I can't wait to have it now. So yes, I'm gonna taste it. I'm very hungry right now. So yes, I'm tasting it right now. So yes, if you're bored with everyday food, so you can definitely try it as it's very new and pure. So finally I've tried this and its taste is so good and so yummy. You must try this. Thank you for watching.